I am going to share you a $1 million secret about how to download millions of research articles for free, or how to download millions of books for free. There are many controversies that if these sites are legal or not. From my point of view, I must say this is legal and I strongly support and promote these sites. This is a website which has more than 7.3 millions of books and more than 80 millions of articles. All the books and articles are free to download, but it has some daily limit for download. If you are not a registered member, from any specific device you can download maximum 5 books or articles in 24 hours. You can do the same for next 24 hours. Here you can see the website address, not exactly address, this is the website name, Z Library. The website address changes very often, but the name of the site is always remain same, Z Library. So today I may show you, or I may give you some link, exactly the specific link, but after certain time the link address can be changed. So please remember the name of the site, Z Library. So whenever you need to find out the website, you need to search the name of the Z Library in the Google, and then you can get the website address, because the website address changes very often. Just remember this. Now let's go how we can do download for any book or any article from this website. To find out the website, I will show you step by step. I am going to the Google. Already I have opened the page, but I am showing from the scratch. You can go to the Google, just write down Z Library, and go for search button. Here you can see Z Library, zlibrary.org, z-library.org, but this is not the exact address when we will click from here. So just I will click here, Z Library, world's largest ebook library. So I am going there. Now you can see zlibrary.org. When you click books, articles or homes, you will see how many books and articles are in this website. I am clicking just books. Then it is going to another website, 2lib.org. This is the actual site. You will find out from here. Here you can search for books and articles. Here you can see how many books are available in this site. More than 7 million books and more than 80 million books are available right now, and every day this number is increasing. So how to download? In this site you will not get the volume number or page number of the article. So in that case you need to find out the name of the article. Maybe you can go Google search, or you can search your keywords. Everything is possible here, but you cannot find out a specific volume or a specific page number from this site, because this is not only a single journal website. This is multiple information, and all the articles from different journals are kept here. So how we do search? Let's see. This is the website of SCS Publications. This is the Physical Chemistry A. I want to download this journal from this electronic library. Here if I want to download this article from SCS website, that means the Physical Chemistry A website, I cannot, because it needs more access option. So if I go for the PDF option, access through your institution or login, if I go for this article, then it will ask me to purchase purchase access, how much money it requires, or ask me, it will be around 35 to 40 around. But I can get this article from here. I cannot download, so just I will copy the name of this article here. Just I am copying this name and I will go for the library and select the articles options, and then I will paste in this region, go for search button, then you will see here is the journal. This is published in 2020. This exactly the same 2020. Just I will download and I will show you if there is any difference or not. Here just click this. There are a lot of books related to this website, this search what you have given the keywords. So mainly in the top of the search results you will get your article or books. If you want to download a book, you can go just this books option and then search for here, and you will get the optional results or search results. From there you can download. So as I have received the search results, I will click this and it will go the main page of the down PDF link. Here you can click download PDF 1.08 megabyte. So you can do send to Kindle or email or save for later, preview, or anything you can do. So here I am showing you how just clicking and it will start to download. This is downloading and completed. So just open the file. Here one thing to remember, this is not the exact version of the article what is found here, because here you can see it do not have the volume or page number, but this is the exact thing what you need. This article and the article what I have shown here, this is exactly the same, just the difference, this is the free version. Free version, that means when this article has been accepted for publication, just for couple of days or maybe around for a month, the ACS or original publisher takes the article for their promotion. So from that point or from that time, this article has been downloaded and added to this site. So just you collect the volume and page number from this and read from this. So you don't need to spend money to buy this article. So just if you already this has been downloaded, so I can go anywhere or downloads, and then I can find out show in folder, and then I can find, or if I want to edit or if I want to add the page number, volume number, whatever I want. So anything I can do. Similarly, you can download any books or any articles from this site, and you need to remember that in a day you can download only 5 articles or 5 books from this site in a day. So if you need more articles or more books, you need to wait another 24 hours and then you can get access for another 5 books or articles. So I think this site is very helpful for the researchers who have very less amount of money or who do not have the access for the university website, because there are a lot of universities who has access to most of the articles, but the developed country has this, but underdeveloping or non-developed country, they do not have the access for the articles because they do not have enough money to purchase these articles. So anyone who is staying in the underdeveloped or non-developed country, or who need immediate access from for these articles when you are not connected in the university website or wherever, in that case you can download these types of articles free of cost, and I think this is very helpful for us, and I would like to promote these types of sites. If you have any information regarding these sites or similar sites like this, please comment in the comment box, and I will try to upload in the description box, and so that many people can be benefited from this. So thank you very much, and see you in next video.